Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about my new watch. My father gifted this to me on my birthday, 10th birthday, and now I'm going to tell you all the features and all the things about it. So the first thing is, its name is Xiaomi Mi Band 6. It is not a bad watch, it's a good watch, for anyone can use it. And this watch has a lot of features. It can track your workouts, PAI, blood oxygen and heart rate. And when you are doing any activity like swimming with it, because it's water resistant to 5 atm, means waterproof to 50 meters. And now if you are doing any exercise with it, so you can go in the water and it tells all of the details about like how much calories you burned. So the first feature is status. Status tells you about your steps, calories and idle alerts. And then PI tells you about just like it tells you about your heart rate monitoring. And then the heart rate tells you about what is your heart rate currently. And then the blood oxygen tells you your blood oxygen level. And then the night sleep, if you sleep with it, it will tell you all the details about it. And the notification, like any, if you enable it in your My Fitness app while in your tab or phone, it will give all of the notifications in this watch. Next, I'm gonna do a durability test, putting it in water. Okay, so look, this is a cup of water. I'm gonna dip it. It will work. It works perfectly fine after being dipped in water. So it is waterproof to 50 meters. I go swimming with it every day. So I'll tell you more features about it. Like it is a very durable watch. It has full screen and it has a 14 to 20 days battery life. And it also has a changeable band. So if you want to change the color of this band to like pink, red or blue, you can remove it just by pulling on the device itself. Then it's going to come out. Then you can change it to your color. You need to buy the band separately. So this it has about holes. It has holes, so you can do your own fit. My one is on the second last fit, and when I go swimming with it, I do it on the full tight. I hope you like this video. There are many other features. So it charges with 2 pins. Let me try it so you can see it. So it charges with 2 pins. It takes 2 hours to charge. For full charge, it will do 14 days battery life. And this is the sensor. It measures the heart and the blood oxygen, and the big one is for tracking workouts and many more. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share, and please follow us in Instagram and TikTok. Bye.